Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today we're going to make a tropical smoothie, okay? Very good guys, it's gonna just take like less than uh, 10 minutes, okay? So let me show you guys what I have. Okay, as you can see, I have some sugar, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, okay? So let me put that over there. I have in this bowl, I have frozen mangoes and frozen pineapples, okay? And I have my pineapple juice I'm going to use, okay? And I have my vanilla extras, Haitian ones I'm going to use. This is very good, guys. Smells so good, okay? And I have my bananas I'm going to use also, okay? And I have my blender next to me. All right, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to start adding our fruits first. My hands are clean, okay? Just do that. Okay. Guys, you know when it's hot like that, summertime, you gotta have, always make your juice and everything. You know what, guys? I'm going to just wash my hands, and then when we come back, we finish up, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now I'm going to add my banana. Actually, I'm going to just use one banana. Okay, just fill it up. Take that off, the bottom off, okay? Okay, now I'm adding my vanilla. Oh gosh, guys, it smells so good. 1 teaspoon, actually another one, 2 teaspoons, okay? Now I'm adding my pineapple juice. Let me shake it up first. Before you use it, guys, you have to shake it up, because at the bottom you always have some stuff left. Okay. Actually, I'm going to use half of it. Okay, I think that should be enough. Yep. Okay, just half. You know what? A little bit more. I know I said half. I know, guys, I know. You know what? I don't think I'm going to use my sugar because too much sugar. Nope. Okay, so now I'm putting the cover up. Okay, and then when we come, I'm going to blend that up, guys. When we come back, we finish up everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, I got everything ready. My glass and my smoothie. Okay, now I'm going to pour it up in the cup. Okay. Okay, I think I can get another one. You know what? Okay, that should be it. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. Now I'm going to put my umbrella to garnish it. Okay. Look at that, guys. Yeah, looks so nice. You see that? Okay, so that's it. Let me cover that up. Put it over there. Okay. That was easy, huh? You see, I told you guys it was gonna take like less than 10 minutes. I'm sure it's 10 minutes. So, okay, If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Okay, remember to share with your family and friends. Okay, and guys, it's so cold right now in my house. Yep, that's why I'm wearing my sweater. Now it's 76 and on the AC. So yeah, so I'm going to give that a taste. Okay. Whew. Guys, it's so refreshing and tastes so good. It's so hot outside. You definitely need one of them. Okay, thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.